Let's make a quick and satisfying bowl of instant noodles. Simple, but definitely not boring. Start by prepping your ingredients. I'm using sausage and soft tofu. Put them into any size you like. Crack one egg into a bowl and beat it well until smooth. In a pot, bring some water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, add in the seasoning packet first, then drop in the noodles. Let it cook for about a minute, then toss in the sausage, tofu, and egg. Cover with a lid and let everything simmer until the noodles are fully cooked. Once it's done, pour it all into a bowl and top it with some seaweed snacks for that extra crunch. And that's it. Easy, cozy, and way more fun than plain instant noodles. Go give it a try, and if you have your own version, don't forget to share it in the comments.